Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some garlic Parmesan mac and cheese. So let's get started. First, go ahead and boil your pasta. Pretty much add some water, some salt, get your life, girl, cook that pasta. Here I'm preparing my cheese. I have some mozzarella cheese, some cheddar cheese, and of course, Parmesan cheese.
That's good.
Now I'm preparing a topping which I'll be using later, and this is just pretty much breadcrumbs and melted butter. So go ahead and stir that in together until it becomes nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to go ahead and melt some butter, add some garlic, saute my garlic, and add some flour, and this is pretty much for thickening purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that in together for about a minute or so. Now I'm going to go ahead and add milk. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Now do keep in mind that you can find the full ingredients on my blog, which you can find the link in the description box below. So once it's up to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese, and I'm just going to melt this in pretty much. Once your cheese is melted in, go ahead and add some salt and pepper to taste. Then go ahead and transfer your pasta into the sauce. Now I'm going to transfer everything into a baking dish, and then I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to bake this for about 10 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. Now that's pretty much it. So go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. Thank you for watching. Take care.